Hi everyone, TechATV here. For today's video, we are going to learn how to diagnose and troubleshoot this Epson EcoTank L3150 printer having broken line and printout problem, even if we do power cleaning already. So in this video, I'll show you how to check and fix this problem from ink supply system going to purging system. And this time, let me to nozzle check by pressing the power and stop button for 5 seconds. So here's the actual printout of this unit. There are some missing color on its printout, no black, yellow and magenta. To diagnose and to fix this issue, let's turn off the printer. Then unplug the power cord and USB cable. Open the front door cover and remove the scanner screw. Then lift the printer scanner. Then, the first to check is the cartridge damper. Just rotate the side gear in order to move the printhead carriage. Then, just press the cartridge lock and pull to remove. Then here, you have to check the cartridge, if it has enough ink supply. But in this case, cartridge has low ink supply. So now, we are going to purge the ink using a syringe to fill the cartridge. Ensure to check all the ink cartridges for ink supply to get better quality printout. Then after purging ink, just insert the cartridge to the printhead carriage. Then next is to check the ink system. So to check the ink system if it's working properly, position the printhead carriage on top of the ink system. Then remove the ink system tube from top of the waste tank. And attach a syringe on ink tube. Then now, we are going to check the ink system if it purge ink normally. Eventually, when ink system is normal, it will purge ink from the printhead. But in this case, it cannot to purge the ink from the printhead. When we pull the syringe, it has a back pressure that pulls the syringe. Therefore, when we are going to execute a printhead cleaning, it doesn't work or not even take effect on its printout. And then when we purge without the printhead on the top of the ink system, it should have a pressure coming in or out from its ink system. But unfortunately back pressure is always there. Therefore, I conclude that this issue is caused by failure ink system problem. So the next step is we have to remove the waste tank. Remove the waste tank cover first. Unscrew the waste tank to remove. Remove this side cover. Remove this screw to open the ink system. Remove the ink system gear and realign. Always check your ink system if your waste ink tube is having air back pressure. Then, properly install the ink system and secure with its screws. Then vacuum the ink system to check air back pressure. So now, we have successfully removed the air back pressure. And now ink system is working fine. Then now, put the print head on top of the ink system. Then vacuum or manually purge the ink using a syringe. Then here, if your ink system pumped normally, it should have purged ink inside your syringe. After purging ink, you can now proceed on the next step. Then after, install the waste ink tube to the waste ink tank. Then, attach the side cover. Install the waste ink tank and secure its screw. Attach the waste tank cover and also secure its screw. Then lock the scanner screws. Then plug the power cord and USB cable. Then turn on the printer. Then after the power indicator LED becomes stable, press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds to perform head cleaning. And then release after the power LED is flashing. And just wait until power indicator LED becomes stable. Print head cleaning approximately takes up to 3 to 5 minutes. Then now power LED indicator becomes stable. And printer is now ready. Then turn off the printer to perform a nozzle check by pressing and holding the power and stop button for 5 seconds. Then let's check the nozzle check print quality. And here we have successfully fixed the abnormal printout problem by just realigning the ink system pump and by performing a print head cleaning. And that's how to realign the ink system and fixing a printout issue of this Epson EcoTank L3250 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.